Hi, hello, my name is Kendra. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today I have another Stitch Fix video. I feel like people are really enjoying these, and because, you know, it is a subscription service where they send you a new box every single month, it just works out that they're gonna be every 2 to 3 videos gonna be a Stitch Fix video. Please let me know if you start getting annoyed by them and I can stop. But also, I don't know how long I'll do this. At first it was kind of an experiment. I'm like, oh, like how long is it gonna take my stylist to get to know me? And this is the 3rd box and I'm starting to feel like maybe there's no stylist. Like, I think I had like this notion that there's someone in like a little cubicle that's like doing their thing, but I have an inkling that there's nobody. So that is what today's video is. Hope you guys enjoy. Let's hop into it. Per usual, I'm going to just look at the style card. I'm not going to look at the items first. I'm going to react to this. So we have another earring. This one's a hoop. I love any form of hoop, anything circular and chunky that gives my head. I don't know if you guys have noticed this. I feel like I have a very long, eggy head. So hoops and like earrings kind of bring the width of my face out. Does that make sense? I don't know. There's some bamboo hoops jeans, which is really annoying because I told them in the very first thing, like, what do you not want to be sent? I said that I really don't want jeans unless they're like the most amazing jeans on the planet. I've gotten 1 pair of jeans. This makes it the 2nd pair of jeans. I just would prefer not. There's a knit dress, a short sleeve knit top that looks like a basic black t-shirt, and a detail knit top that looks like snakeskin. Let's see. I think the thing I'm most excited about so far is these earrings. So let's take a look. Okay, first thing is these little hoops. I actually really like these. I believe I'll keep these. Look at this. A little gold bamboo hoop, and you have all of this like texture on them, as well as like the little knots where like the bamboo would actually be, and they're good like medium size. So cute. Love those. See the price. They're $36, which isn't terrible. I don't know about this brand. It came with like a little baggie, but it's Stella and Ruby. I'm not like huge into jewelry or accessories, so even if this was a good brand, I probably wouldn't know. I feel like $36 because the styling fee is $20. You know, paying $16 for earrings is pretty reasonable as long as they don't turn into my ear screen. Next item. So this is the Paper Moon is the brand. They're calling it a Basima black detail knit top. This is in a 2X. It feels very, very soft. I'll give them that. But it's literally just like a cami top with like some little crisscrossing detail there. And it's like snake print, which I love tank tops, but I don't love like just a cami tank top really. I think I have a couple. If you guys notice, most of mine has like some other kind of detail besides it just being like spaghetti straps. But yeah, we will try this on with the denim because they graced our presence with that. Also, next item, I have this Emery Park Dulce short sleeve knit top, also in a 2X. As I suspected, it is a black t-shirt, but it has crisscrossing. Let's see how much these tank tops and t-shirts are. The first top is $30, and then this one is $34. I will say this box does seem a little bit more reasonably priced than the other ones. It's just a black t-shirt. This is the knit dress. I will say all of these things are very, very soft. Like, they feel nice. The quality does feel like it's there. Wow, this must have been the month of the crisscrossing. This is the dress. So it's just a little tank dress. It kind of goes baggy at the waist here, an elastic waist, and it's pretty short. Like, this is like a mini dress. This looks really cute though. I don't know if I'll love the top portion because of these straps, but we will see. I think the color is really good. As I said, it's very, very soft, like orange and white polka dots, elastic waist, and it doesn't look like there's pockets, but maybe once I put them on, they'll appear. And that one is the Wendelin knit dress, also by Paper Moon, 2X. That one's $44. Again, pretty reasonable for a dress. Last thing is the denim. Oh look, dark wash skinny jeans. I don't even want to try these on. It's so hot outside and I hate jeans. Like, I said like, don't send me jeans unless they're literally the most magnificent, funky, cool jeans you've ever seen in your life. This is just blue denim that's skinny, super skinny. This is a very small ankle cutout. And then like, they also seem kind of small. So let's see. These are the cut from the cloth Dana skinny ankle jean 20W, and they are $88. As I said in the last one, I think, because they also sent me jeans in the last one, $88 isn't high-end luxury denim, but also it's not like super, super cheap. It's kind of a middle of the line price when it comes to real denim, but this doesn't feel like real denim. And if we look in the tag, it'll tell us how much elastane is actually in these. So, oh, there's actually only 2% elastane, but that's because there's 16% lyocell, 10% viscose, 21% polyester. So they're only actually 51% cotton. So that price tag of $88 usually would be justified in the fact that they are real cotton, good denim. This has polyester, lyocell, and a bunch of other things in it. So just saying, it is saying Reprieve, made from recycled plastic bottles. That's where they're justifying their price. So that is what was in my box this month. I'm going to try the items on for you. You know, let's go into this optimistically. Maybe it's all gonna be really, really good and I am just like mad for no reason. But okay, maybe. Just a heads up, these feel kind of small. They have a ton of stretch in them, so I think they'll fit. But I think this is the kind of denim that getting them on is going to feel like a baby back. You guys are gonna say these are flattering and cute, but I just simply don't agree. So let me pan down. So these are the jeans. They feel like leggings. I will say once they're on, they don't feel terrible. Like they're very soft. They're hitting me pretty much where most high rises do, above my belly button. These are a little tad, maybe an inch lower than I would prefer, but like nothing crazy. The wash is dark and then it's doing that light thing right up here. And the length, I don't know if you guys can see, the length feels, it's like ankle length, even though it's like cut off down here. Has that like frayed ankle. I don't know, this just doesn't, I said it before and I'll say it again. They fit, they feel fine, but this is not a stylish pair of denim to me. It's a little bit older. Skinny jeans are not where it's at any longer, I don't think, me personally. And they're not the most flattering either. Like, I think people used to think that skinny jeans were the most flattering because it would give you some kind of shape. But for me, I feel like a sausage stuffed into a casing. And yeah, it's also summertime, so they're sending me dark denim in summer. Porque why? And then this is that tank top. It is very, very long. I feel like I haven't worn a full length shirt in a little while. It's just not doing much for me. My smallest point is my waist. That's why I generally like things that are a little bit more cropped, so they give me a little bit more shape. But you know, if you're looking for something longer to cover your tummy, this definitely does that. As you can see, it goes all the way down, covers, and then even in the back, it's nice and long. There's that crisscross detailing in the back there, if you can see it. They're just very thin stripes. Yeah, it's just a tank top. It's a little, it's not, I guess it's not see-through. I thought it was, but it's not. This just isn't really my style. Like, I'm not big into like snake print. I have like one skirt that's snake print, but it's like yellow and vibrant and so cool. This is just kind of a snake print top. Again, I think this would be great for someone a little bit older. You can see it with like a little jacket, a little leather jacket, or like denim or something. Black jeans, you know, and I know some people are very conscious of their stomach, so they'd be wearing high-waisted jeans and something like this to be long and pull over. This just reminds me of middle school. But it's just not my vibe. Nothing wrong with it, just not my style. This is the black t-shirt. As you can see, it is just a black t-shirt with some little crisscrossing here. This reminds me a lot of something you would find at like Torrid. You know, it's just a tee, but they like to throw in these little details here. The arms are pretty long. They go pretty much to where I would want them to. And then if you turn to the back, it is, you know, a long full-length t-shirt. I don't need one of these, and I ended up buying that black bodysuit t-shirt from the last Stitch Fix haul, so I definitely don't need this. And I don't really like this crisscrossing, but it's fine. It's a black t-shirt. This to me though, like the bodysuit, I feel like it's something that people wouldn't try, like as a plus size person, you'd be like, oh, I don't know if it's gonna fit, I'm not gonna try that on. So like it makes sense to send it in a styling box. But a black t-shirt, I feel like everyone knows that this is fine and that you could like wear this with anything. So I think it's a little bit of a waste of an item, but that's just me. And also these jeans already like are giving me that like, you can see it with the black shirt down, that like, don't love that. It's just a black shirt, it's fine, but you can find one literally at like Target or Walmart. Don't spend money. All right, now this is the dress. I actually really like this. I like the color, it's so soft. If you guys can feel this, you would agree it's just like the softest thing I've ever felt. I love this little pattern, and then as you can see here, it has that elastic waist, and then this kind of folds over here. You can adjust it, I think, sort of, to be able to like sit how you want, but kind of ends up just like being this little flouncy baggy layer. And then the dress is pretty long considering, so let me pan down. It's like pretty long as far as a short dress. It comes like just above the knee. Like this is kind of where I like dresses to be if I'm wearing a short dress, and this bottom part really does just like skim over the body. This is a good item. I really do like this. I wish it was like a tank top strap or like something other than spaghetti. You do need to wear a strapless bra. I'm buying a lot of tops right now that need that, so it's fine. But you know, if I had to pick something about it that I didn't love, that would be it. And then the back is just like, see, I forgot about this. The back is that like crisscrossy. The back has that crisscrossy detail, which is not my favorite, but fine. That might be something though that it makes me not want to buy this dress just because of that, because I think that like little details like that sometimes for me kind of cheapen the outfit, just because it's like, oh wow, this is like really cute dress, blah blah blah, and then it's like, what is that, you know? I do like this one, so I will contemplate it. As I said, I think it was like $40 or something, which isn't bad for just like a little summer dress. We're moving somewhere that's a little bit more conservative than Portland, so this might be a good option. Let me know what you guys think. I have a couple days before I have to send this back, so I really like this one actually. The more I'm in it, the more I like it. And I can't see the crisscross detail, I guess, so it's not like it'll be in my face annoying me all the time, but yeah. All right guys, so that is this week's Stitch Fix video. I really hope you enjoyed. Tell me what you think in the comments down below of these pieces. I'm going to contemplate this dress. I'm going to show my fiance and see what he thinks about it and if he likes it or not. I'm sure he will, but like, I just need a second opinion on this one. The earrings I'm keeping for sure, but those two tops and those jeans are going back. I don't know. I feel like that was just another meh box, like nothing super amazing. This dress sticks out just because it's like simple and cute, but I don't know if I would pick it up off a rack if it wasn't sent to me in the box. And I know it's kind of the point, but I feel like that's the point when it's a super amazing item that you're like, oh, I guess I wouldn't have picked this out for myself. But like this is just so basic that I guess I don't know if I'd pick it out for myself. So yeah. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed. Please comment, like, subscribe, do all the nice things down below. That would really help me out, and this channel is starting to grow so much. So thank you guys so much for your support thus far. It means the world to me. So that is it for me, you guys, and see you back here next week at 9 a.m. on Tuesday. Bye.